Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I will put this link to this monogram font maker. I don't know what else to call it, but it's pretty cool because it not only has the square monogram like we used the other day, it's got round monogram. Now, the only thing I need to get, well, there it is right there. So we're going to round engrave. We're going to click on the A, and we're going to make an A visible on the left. We're going to go to B and make the B visible on the middle. We're going to go to C, make the right visible, and there you have a monogram font. So let's back up here, and if you see that's round, we could do the same thing with square. Open up the A, have that to the left, go to B, have the middle, go to C, have the right, and now you have the square monogram. Now, I haven't figured out really what to do to get it out of it, because this is amazing. He took a lot of work to put all this stuff in here, but it also has a perimeter and the circle and everything. The only thing I can think of to do it would be to maybe make your nudge factor like 4 inches, to use it on another page. And then of course the circle is going to come up first, but then that go to the left with your letters, and then just right click and copy. It ought to just say copy. There we go. Copy. Just open up a new page and then paste them in that new page. And then what's so good about it, you can make them any size you want. Now, he's actually got some that are cut lines, but you could, if you were going to cut them out, there's your cut lines. But there is some cut lines. He's got all different, well, this is the wrong page. And let's see if we can find that page again. And he's got, let me just kind of close everything up. So he's got square cut, square engrave, round cut, round engrave. And it's incredible what you can do with this thing. So let's just back up here and put everything back to open. And now let's do just so you'll see the round. And let's close this up and go to the round engrave and go to A and unclick it. Basically he has every letter already made, but they're invisible. And then go to B and unclick it, and then go to C and click it, and you've got the rounded monogram. Thank you for that, whoever put this up, and go to his website. I will put a link at the bottom of the video. Oh, and just for grins, when you go to it, this is what it looks like. He's got it in Silhouette Studios. He's got it in Corel Draw. He's got it in Illustrator. He's got it in Inkscape. The same. And all you do, if you want Corel Draw, just download that file and it'll pop up. Very easily done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.